I found an amazing product on Etsy that is generating a lot of sales, and it's still new, which makes this even more interesting. So I wanted to share it with you because in this video, we're going to discover a product with very low competition that's already making great sales. And at the same time, I'll teach you exactly how to design it in a super easy way. So make sure you watch until the end. 28 sales in the last 24 hours. That's something I honestly haven't seen before. And the seller is pricing it at just $1.70. Now here's the important part. It's a digital product, and that's exactly what we care about because we focus on digital products. Now if we take a closer look at the product images, you'll notice something very interesting. It's actually super simple. We have 3 types of trash bins, one for organic waste, one for recyclable materials like plastic, and the third one is for general waste that gets thrown away permanently. So basically, each category has its own bin. Then, in the following pages, you'll see images designed for kids, filled with different types of trash. The child cuts out these shapes and places each one into the correct trash bin. It's simple, interactive, and incredibly effective. This method helps kids learn something useful for real life while also improving their awareness and thinking skills. It's honestly a great product. I want you to really visualize this. The child cuts the shapes, then organizes each type of trash into the correct place. You might be thinking right now, this design looks complicated, but I'm going to show you how to create it in a very easy and clean way. Just follow along. Now let's start designing this product step by step. We'll go directly to Canva and create a design with dimensions 11 by 8.5 inches. The first page will be dedicated to the trash bins. So first, I'll go to the Elements section and search for Compost Bin. You'll find many options, but I'm going to choose this one because it looks the best to me. Then I'll go back to Elements again, and this time search for Recycling Bin. Again, you'll see many designs. I'll pick this blue one. Now for the third bin, I'll go back to Elements and search for Garbage Bin, and I'll add this one as well. And just like that, we now have the 3 bins ready, and we'll arrange them on the first page like this. To add labels under each bin, I'll go to Shapes, choose a rectangle, and change its color to green so it matches the first bin. Then I'll press T on the keyboard to add text. Choose any font you like and type Compost. Now to label the other bins, it's very simple. I'll duplicate this text, move it under the second bin, change the rectangle color to blue, and update the text to Recycling so it matches perfectly. And using the same method, I'll duplicate it one more time, place it under the third bin, and change the color and text to Garbage. And just like that, we are completely done with designing the first page. Before we move on to designing the second page, I want to tell you something important. I've added 5 new products to my 80 books bundle, so now it's actually 95 books. And inside, there are 15 secret products that are only available for people who purchase this bundle. As for everyone else, you can still see the structure of the 80 books and design similar ones yourself. But these products were created with over 7 years of experience, and they were carefully selected to help you generate real sales, whether on Etsy or Amazon. If you are truly serious about selling digital products, this bundle can literally change your life. You can grab it now with a big discount using the link in the pinned comment and also in the video description. This discount will not last long. Now, let's continue and design the second page of our product. All we need to do is add a new page. And we want to create a grid with 12 squares on this page. Inside each square, we'll place a different type of trash, so the child can cut out these 12 squares and sort them into the correct bins from the previous page. To create this grid, I'll go to Elements and search for Table. Then I'll resize it and place it right in the center of the page like this. Now we need to fill each square with different trash items, one image in each square. I've actually prepared a file for you with 30 items for each trash category, so you can easily use them to create this product. Just leave a comment and I'll send you the file directly. I'll open the file, take the first item, which is apple core, and place it into one of the squares. Then I'll go back to the file, copy the second item, banana peel, and place it into another square. And I'll continue like this. I'll add 4 items from the compost category first, then go back to the file again and copy 4 items from the recycling category, place them into the grid, and finally, I'll add 4 items from the garbage category into the remaining squares. And just like that, we finished designing this page very easily. Now to create more pages, all we have to do is duplicate this second page, remove the existing items, and replace them with new ones from the file I gave you. And that's the activity. Super simple. The child, for example, cuts out the banana peel, realizes it's organic waste, and places it into the compost bin. Then they cut something like empty water bottles, recognize that it's recyclable, and place it into the recycling bin. This way, they learn trash classification easily, while also practicing cutting and improving their recognition skills. After finishing the design, all we need to do is export it as a PDF file, and you already know how to sell it on Etsy. And by the way, there are similar and even better products like this inside my 80 books bundle. Grab it now at a huge discount from the pinned comment and the description, because the price will be changing very soon.